Hello everybody, today we're gonna make Karahi lamb. It's Indian recipe. Let's start. First step, I add 2 big spoon of oil with the masala with 1 big spoon of garlic and add the meat and leave it in the fire for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. And mix it well and add 1 cup of water and cover and leave it for 20 minutes in the medium heat. After 20 minutes, I add 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of masala powder and mix it well and leave it more 20 minutes. In this time, I fry 1 piece of onion till I get brown color. I add to the meat, I mix it and I add 2 big spoon of yogurt. I mix it well and I leave it in the medium heat for 10 minutes. Last step, I add 1 green chili pepper with some fresh coriander. I mix it for 1 minute and our food will be ready for served. Hope everybody like it. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.